Hello everyone, and welcome back as we take a look at the next card in our Mudra Card Deck, Purna Hridaya. And this may look very familiar to a lot of you. I bet you didn't know as you were doing all those heart gestures in your selfies that you were actually doing a mudra. This is the gesture of the open heart, and its core quality is honoring thoughts and feelings. This mudra is especially helpful for becoming comfortable with our psycho-emotional well-being, for releasing muscular constriction from the chest. It improves our breath capacity and enhances our immunity, as well as supporting the treatment of depression. The instructions of how to do this mudra are pretty simple, but they are slightly different than what we would normally see people doing, where they just kind of touch their fingertips together and forming the heart shape. In this one, you want to start with holding your hands in front of your heart with the palms facing each other and your fingertips pointing upward. Then you're going to gently interlace your fingers inward so that they cross just right at that upper segment, just about on my fingers where that first knuckle is. And you want to cross your fingers over so that your right index finger is closest to your heart. Then you're going to go ahead and stretch your thumbs downward to touch at the tips so you are able to create that heart shape. Once you are in this position, as always, make sure that you relax your shoulders back and down and your elbows held away from the body with your spine naturally aligned. So let's go ahead together and take a moment to form this mudra. And get yourself comfortable in your chair or wherever it may be that you're sitting. And then we will move forward with our practice for the mudra today. As you hold this mudra, take several natural breaths to attune to all the feelings and sensations awakened by the gesture. With each inhalation, feel your rib cage expanding evenly. And with each exhalation, your chest, the sides of your ribs, and your upper back soften and relax completely. As your rib cage expands and softens with each breath, take some time to sense a growing openness within your heart center. As your heart center continues to open gradually, you start to embrace your psycho-emotional being more easily, welcoming thoughts and feelings, allowing them to arise and pass away freely. Take a moment now and allow a positive thought to rise gently in your mind and experience the feeling that naturally accompanies it. Allow this feeling to simply be, and as you embrace it without any resistance, you will begin to sense it as a wave of pure energy that you can ride easily in sync with your breathing. With each inhale, you ride this feeling to its crest, and with each exhale, you experience greater ease and release throughout your entire psycho-emotional being. As you continue to ride this positive wave of feeling, take several breaths to sense how your heart center is nourished with vital energy. As your heart opens more completely, you'll gradually develop the ability to welcome even challenging thoughts and feelings as waves of pure energy. To deepen this ability, invite a difficult thought now to arise within your being, experiencing the feeling that accompanies it naturally. Take all the time you need to sense this challenging feeling as a wave of pure energy that you ride again together with your breathing. With each inhale, welcome any tension or resistance that arises. Don't fight it, don't try to push it away. And naturally, with each exhalation, allow this tension to be released, riding your wave of feeling with greater lightness and ease. As you continue to ride this wave of feeling with greater ease, noticing how it naturally crests, then falls and dissipates. Take several breaths to sense how your heart center is now naturally filled with serenity and peace. As your heart center becomes more bathed in serenity, you naturally embrace your psycho-emotional being much more easily and completely. Affirm this continuing growing ease as you repeat the following 3 times, aloud or silently to yourself. Through welcoming thoughts and feelings, I fully embrace my psycho-emotional being. Through welcoming thoughts and feelings, I fully embrace my psycho-emotional being. Through welcoming thoughts and feelings, I fully embrace my psycho-emotional being. Now slowly release the gesture, taking several breaths to rest in the ease that comes with riding waves of feelings as just pure energy. When you are ready, open your eyes, returning slowly and gently, more at ease within your own psycho-emotional body. Thank you for joining me again today. I look forward to seeing you again next time. As always, take care.